kasabihan po akong nabasa, sabi po doon na every woman should own at least 1 pair of red shoes. So, baka naman po doon is pwede nating i-insert yung kalalakihan naman dahil dito sa sapatos na ipiplex ko sa inyo ang Jordan 12 Retro Gym Red. So, sa inyo itong Nike Air Force 1 High Supreme Red. It's appearing the 3 world famous colorways, including the vibrant red leather and of course the white accent. Jordan 1 Retro High OG Shadow. Ang Paris na magbibigay spotlight po sa inyong mga Jordan 1 collection. So, sa inyo itong Nike Air Jordan 8 Retro Ovo. A white edition featuring an elegant look for a Jordan 8. Reebok Question Mid. A highly anticipated collaboration between the two basketball legends, si Allen Iverson at James Harden.